Thomas was thinking about what happened last week. "Don't worry, Thomas," said Caleb. "You'll do great." "I'm not sure," he said. Just then the foreman came. "Thomas, the workmen are very cold, so you'll have to bring some firewood." Thomas promised and went on his way. Thomas coupled to the box trucks full of firewood, and he was on his way. It was a snowy day, and it was a cold winter, but Thomas doesn't mind. He went over a bridge, and he went through tunnels. Thomas went up this steep hill. "It's a steep hill, Thomas," said his driver. "Well, what should I do?" asked Thomas. His driver and fireman checked his coal bunker. "There is a large lump of coal," he said. "We can put it on your firebox." Thomas smiled, and then they got it. When Thomas went up the steep hill, his face went redder, but at last they did it. "I did it! I did it!" cheered Thomas. "Well done, Thomas," cheered Thomas's driver. And all the engines cheered and blew their whistles. When Thomas arrived at the station, Sir Topham Hatt came to see him. He told him that he forgave him about last week when he wished steam all over his top hat. "That's why you were pulling a passenger train," he said. "That's what you're supposed to do." Thomas smiled happily. "Do you want to tell your friends about your adventures?" he asked. "Yes, sir," asked Thomas. Thomas went happily back to his shed to tell Percy, Toby, Duck, and Stepney all of his adventures. But he didn't realize that there was Bowler and Spamcam hiding in the tunnel, waiting for a perfect moment to strike again.